Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see Mandela artwork. It is my favorite artwork. First I draw a few circles in an A4 sheet. I draw 7 circles. First circle in the radius of 3 centimeter. In first circle I am going to draw Buddha. First I gave the outline of the Buddha. Then I shade it. After shade it, I saw it was very simple, so I decided to draw some plants. Then give the outline of the circle. Next circle, I am going to draw few petals like this and give the outline. Please adjust my off-boiled English. Next, shade like this. In next circle, I am going to draw leaf. Complete this circle. After complete this circle, draw a triangle like this and shade it. In next circle, we are going to draw a flower, but it does not look better. While drawing in a rough paper, it looks very beautiful, but drawing here, it's not perfect than that. So after completing this, I tried some designs. It looks very worse, no? So I tried some designs. It's better than before. Okay, in next circle we are going to put very simple design full of triangles like this. Okay, we complete the circle. Next circle we are going to put spiral rounds like this and shade that gap between this. Once again I zoom it and show you the spiral circles and shade like this. Okay, after completing this circle, we are going to next circle. In next circle, we are going to draw some petals like this. After completing that petal, draw triangle like this and shade it. After shade it, leave one petal and shade like this. That's all. Our simple Mandela art is ready. Over to us. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.